Hey guys, welcome back to Decorating with Barbara. Today I am super excited to be participating in a collaboration hosted by Zane over at Home with Zane. And the title of this collaboration is My Tray Display. So Zane asked us to display a tray with two items. One is flowers and the other is candles. And so that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. I have a tray that I have everything placed on, but I'm not going to use this tray. As you guys know, I love dough bowls, and so I'm going to do my display on a dough bowl. I'm going to show you guys how you can use this as a tray. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start here with this little coaster. I'm going to place that in the bottom of my dough bowl. As you guys know, the dough bowl is not flat, and so I do need a flat surface for my candle to sit on. So I'm going to put that in first, and then I'm going to place my candle. I have these beautiful beads. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these beads. They're real popular in decorating right now, and I love decorating with these as well. And so I'm going to place the beads right here on the side of the candle holder. And then for my flowers, and then the beads I got from Kirkland's, and they were on sale. I just recently picked these up, and I really like the color, because as you guys know, I decorate with this color a lot. And so next, I'm just going to lay these flowers very casually in the bowl. Lay this one. And then I have these lamb's ears that has more of a green tone, and I'm going to place those kind of in between the flowers. I just want to see a little bit of this color peeping through, because this is going to go probably on my coffee table, in my hearth room, or it may stay on the kitchen island. I don't know. But because I decorate with these colors in this area, it could go in either space. Okay, so I have those placed there, and then I'm just going to sprinkle these little decorative balls all around. Okay, so there it is, and I just love the way it turned out. It's very simple, and I think it's very pretty for spring and summer. You don't always need a lot to have a pretty display. Now let me show you what it looks like on my coffee table. And guys, this is a bonus tray that I put together for you. So that's going to do it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you, Zane, for hosting this collaboration. And please don't forget to go and check out the other participants. And Zane will have a playlist on his channel, and if I can copy it and bring it over to my channel in the description box, I will do that as well. So thank you guys so much, and if you like this video, would you please consider subscribing? I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.